Where are the most affordable neighborhoods in Oakville? As generally, Oakville is seen as an expensive place to buy real estate in, and that's because it is. But there are some more affordable neighborhoods that you can get in at if you're looking to move to Oakville. So after analyzing a variety of different historical sales data, I've narrowed it down to 5 neighborhoods you should consider if you're looking for a more affordable neighborhood compared to the Oakville average. So let's just jump on into it with the very first neighborhood, which is Westmount. Now, Westmount is located on the west side of Oakville, just south of Dundas. Now, this area here really attracts those younger families from varying backgrounds for its quality of schools, its newer built homes, and proximity to Oakville's state-of-the-art hospital, Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital. So not only is it right beside Oakville Trafalgar, making it a perfect neighborhood if you're looking to walk to work and want to live in a close neighborhood, but it's also convenient, of course, for all the residents that live there with great healthcare in their backyard. And also here, you'll find a variety of different schools, including the recently built Garth Webb Secondary School. And then right beside this school, you will find West Oak Park, which offers a variety of different sports fields, as well as a large jungle gym and its own splash pad, as well as numerous trails which are connected to the other neighborhoods of the park of Arborview Park, as well as Millstone Park. And as for the real estate in Westmount, about 40 to 50% are detached homes, with the remaining being mixed between townhomes and large apartment buildings. And there's really 3 main time periods where homes were built in this neighborhood. First was the 1960s, then the 1990s, and then just in the early 2000s are the most recent homes in this area here. So if you're new here, my name is Matthew. I'm a local realtor, and this is my channel where I share everything about what it's like living in Oakville and the surrounding areas. So if you're interested in that, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you want to know the updated pricings for any one of these neighborhoods we're going to cover in this video, feel free to send me a message. I'd be happy to help you out. Other than that, let's just jump back into the list to the second affordable neighborhood you should consider, and that is Central. And this neighborhood here is located right in the middle of Oakville, in Oakville's downtown, and it's on Lake Ontario. So it offers for some stunning lake views. But also in this neighborhood here, you're right beside Oakville Go, giving you easy access if you're thinking about needing to commute into Toronto or use the GO train. And then what you can expect for real estate here is lots of apartment buildings, as about half the homes are apartment buildings, whether it's large buildings or those small unit complexes. And then other than that, you're going to find a lot of older townhomes, as well as a lot of detached homes here, as the majority of this neighborhood here was typically built just before 1960 or between 1960 and 1980. So you're going to find a lot of established buildings here. And because of all these factors and how easy it is to get around because of the transportation and walkability of this neighborhood, it makes it a very friendly spot for any renters. Then this next neighborhood is also located right beside Oakville Go in College Park. And this neighborhood is centrally located in Oakville, and over the years has matured and established its own distinct character while still giving you easy access to the entire city. And now in this neighborhood here, you're going to find a diverse group of people living here, from students that are going to Sheridan College to young professionals and young brand new families, but also to empty nesters and retirees. And the reason why that is because of the abundance of home ownership options, great schools, parks, and just affordability in this neighborhood overall. Now, in this neighborhood here, you're also right beside Oakville Go, like I mentioned, but you're also right beside Oakville Place, which is Oakville's only shopping mall and has recently gone under some recent renovations, bringing some new life to this mall. And then also here, you're right beside some great schools. So like I mentioned, you're right beside Sheridan College, which is renowned for its excellence in business, digital media, communication, visual arts, and more. And also there's a variety of different public and Catholic elementary and high schools to choose from. And then as for the real estate in College Park, about 45% of the buildings are single detached homes ranging from different styles of ranch style bungalows, split level homes, detached 2 stories, as well as different lofts from 4 or more bedrooms. Now, most of the homes here will be built between 1955 and 1988, and as a result, tend to sit on wider lots, so the streets seem less busy. but also you're going to find a lot of different large apartment buildings and townhome complexes along Trafalgar Road close to Sheridan College. As overall, about 70% of the population in this neighborhood owns their home, whereas the rest are typically renters of students going to Sheridan or young professionals. Then the next neighborhood you should consider is River Oaks, and this is located just north of College Park, and like College Park, attracts a diverse group of people because it's close to many amenities. As here you'll find a variety of different parks, with the main one being River Oaks Community Center and Park that offers a variety of different sporting fields as well as a variety of trails which connect to Mums Creek, giving you endless trails to explore when living in this neighborhood here. But also it's home to some great schools in Holy Trinity Catholic Secondary School. Now, as for the real estate, you're going to notice River Oaks has a bit of a different theme to it than College Park, and that's because it has a new urbanism feel to it. The houses are fairly close together, and front garages are not as prominent as in some other neighborhoods. Rather, instead, they're kept to the rear whenever possible. Now, the houses are typically 2 or 3 stories in size, with the majority of homes being single detached homes or townhomes that were primarily built in the 90s or early 2000s. However, if you're looking for some condos, this neighborhood's gonna have some brand new options that are right beside some great amenities. And then the next neighborhood that has its own unique set of amenities is Flaglerwood, just located south of Joshua Creek, bordering the QEW and 403. And here you're gonna find its unique set of amenities, as not only do you have Flaglerwood's outdoor pool where you and your family can enjoy an outdoor swim from June to September, but you're also going to have Joshua Creek Arena offering different ice rinks, as well as Iroquois Shoreline Woods Park, which is a large woodlot perfect for a short hike right beside your home. And as for the real estate, here it's going to be 70% detached homes, typically built in the 60s or 70s, and then the remaining 30% townhomes built in that same time period. So if you're interested in learning what the pricings are in this neighborhood or one of the other neighborhoods we chatted about in today's video, feel free to send me a message. I'd be happy to do you a custom market analysis going over them. But if you're interested in learning more about the other top neighborhoods in Oakville to consider moving to, the next video I'd recommend you go check out is my video going over the best neighborhoods in Oakville. So you can find that video right here. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day.